Okay, I put together a little bit different video this time. It's a slideshow because I only have a tiny bit of video. You'll see it later on. It's some damage that happened to one of our plows, and it's a rebuild. So if you read the description down below, you'll it's pretty long-winded. So the day that it happened, I think within a couple of days, I had it disconnected from the tractor and loaded in the truck. You can see something wrong down there. Took it back to the shop, started pulling it apart. You see there's still snow on it, and I'm circling and indicating areas where the damage occurred. We're just observing it as we take it apart. It's pretty bad. You couldn't really see all the damage until it was completely disassembled. So there, I'm cutting some pieces out. I've got, it took 2 or 3 days to do this whole repair. There's the bandsaw that kind of made me buy a new bandsaw. They were letting me use this bandsaw at the site we're working at, so I cut that heavy. It's a 1 inch by 2 inch piece of steel. Drilled I think that's an 1 1/8 bolt in there for the center pivot bolt. Welded it in, and so it's stronger than it's ever been. So there's, okay, here's the, I've only got a certain amount of pictures to work with on this video, so. It's all finished except for this final plate's got to be welded on. Paint that. Here's how it works. Angle to the left. Angle to the right. So there you go. Now these 4 holes here attached to the plow down there, the 4 ribs, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the holes. There's a hole right there. So we'll finish welding that plate. I put this bushing in. Couldn't get a shorter bolt. That's the only bolt I can get that would be long enough. And then I'll weld that bushing on down below here. Put the nut on, and we're finished. That's it. Okay, so we didn't have to, but we decided to go ahead and paint it. Now that you have it all apart, it's not that much more work to paint it while it's apart, because you're not going to do it again next year. So we're pretty good at painting. We use that's a case backhoe or construction equipment paint. I really like it. It's really durable, and then here we are out plowing snow again. So that plow's been fixed twice now. That's the second major time rebuild of all the center pivot, and so different kind of video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, comment, or share it. Thanks for watching.